everybody. Happy Saturday. You know, if you're watching this today, that it is my weigh-in day today. And I have had another fun-filled week with all kinds of things happening. My parents were here from Florida. It was the 4th of July, so there was a holiday. My dog Paisley is recovering from surgery. I worked late. There's just so much that went on this week, and it was truly a fun-filled week, but very stressful. There was just a lot going on. A lot of my routines were not what they normally were, so I stuck to the plan as best as I could and did not cheat. There were times though this week that I did feel extra hungry, but I just pushed through it, and on those occasions I indulged and had 1 or 2 egg whites. Big deal, right? 20 extra calories. I did not go to the gym. I really didn't do that much swimming this week. Maybe 1 or 2 days tops. I did not go walking at the park. I spent a lot of time with my parents between work and going down to my sister's house, who lives about an hour and 20 minutes away. So there was just a lot. And like I said, my routine was thrown off, and I was extra hungry for some weird reason. I don't know what that meant. The only thing I can think of, and I'm starting to correlate this, is that I find when I'm extra hungry, I swear I feel like I'm in like major fat burning mode. I don't know. I just notice on the weeks that maybe my weight loss is a pound or less, I just feel like I can move through the program. And on the weeks that I may have lost more than a pound, I notice the hunger. I do know that in another week, lucky me, Aunt Flo will be back. So I want to see how this next week pans out in regards to hunger, and I'll let you know how that went on next Saturday. So other than that, that's been my week. I hope you all had a great 4th of July, and I hope that you watched the video that I posted on tips and tricks to get through the holiday. I hope that with that video being posted, it gave some of you some inspiration and some ideas on what to bring to the barbecue, because I listed a whole bunch of things that I personally like to bring to any kind of celebration so that I have something to eat there. So hope that helped. All right, so I know why you're here. You want to know how I did this week, and let's get to it. Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I am down another 1.7 pounds, making my total weight loss 23.8 pounds since April 28th, 2018. Seriously, today is July 7th, so that means I have been on this program 10 weeks and almost 25 pounds down. Unbelievable. Here's what's happening with all of that. Pretty much none of my clothes fit me anymore. 23 pounds is just shy of 25, and I am damned determined to get there next week. So what I've been doing is taking all of the clothes in my closet and literally trying them on, and I look like baggy, horrendous. Some of the stuff doesn't even stay up anymore. Some of the stuff I seriously bought right before I started this new job, and they still have tags on them and brand new, beautiful, some designer tops and things like that. So I don't know, I was thinking of donating them or putting them on Poshmark or seeing if anybody would want them. The ones that have tags obviously are brand new. The other stuff that I have is very well taken care of, you know, dry cleaned and hung in my closet. So I don't know what to do with this stuff. Leave a comment below, let me know what I should do with the clothes that don't fit me anymore. I predominantly have tops. I have a brand new Old Navy puffer vest that is in like a blush pink. I literally wore it one time, brand new. in a size large. I have, oh my God, there's just so much stuff. So I don't know. I mean, the only thing I could do is say to donate it, but somebody was saying that there's an app or something called Poshmark to put the stuff on. So I don't know, you tell me what you think, but that is one of the crazy side effects of losing almost 25 pounds is you have to buy new stuff. Well, you know this one doesn't mind shopping, but it gets expensive. It really does. So I'm trying not to go nuts on the summer clothes because I can kind of circulate through what I have already, but the fall stuff, whoa, that's a whole new thing. So my daughter, my husband, and myself, well, my husband may have something to do today in the morning, and my daughter and I were thinking of going in the morning, so I don't know who's going with me, but we have an outlet near us, probably about 45 minutes away, 40 minutes away, called Woodbury Commons, and they are, it's over 200, I believe, outlet stores. Very high-end to medium to everyday. So I do need to pick up a couple pair of work pants, and I was thinking of going to check it out. If you'd like me to bring you along and vlog, I will be more than happy to do so. Let me know that in the comments below. And so I have myself a little bit of a budget right now to do that with, so I'm gonna go see what I can find. Something that I can transition from now until fall would be great, you know, like some black pants, or even like black, like kind of like capris, because then in the winter I could tuck them into boots. I don't know, but I definitely need some new clothes. It's really gotten out of hand. I started out in a size, it just depends. You know, I have sizes of every color in my closet. I really didn't have many smalls or anything like that. Predominantly mediums and larges. The mediums, I'm swimming in them right now. So the stuff that I've gotten have been small, and lo and behold, I am now venturing. Depends what brand though, guys, it really does. But in Target and American Eagle and a couple of other places, some of the stuff from INC, from Macy's, I'm actually in an extra small. Another thing I need to get are the new bras. That is so important, and I can't neglect it anymore. I am wearing my bras that I wore before I started this, almost 25 pounds ago. And they're just, I have so much room in the cup still, and the straps, and the part that goes around the back, that no good. I need good support. My chest size has changed a little bit, but not drastically. I think it's more like around the back, that number. I used to be, was I a 36? And now the bras that I tried on the other night, I was able to be in a 32, and they were totally comfortable. In fact, I probably could have gone down to a 30. I don't know. It just depends on, I guess, what bra you buy. I typically buy the brand Bally. So I don't know. I want to go see if I can find some bras, some work pants, and just like transitional pieces that I could get away with between now and the fall. So I'm going to Woodbury Commons. I want to take you guys with me, but again, let me know in the comments below, because I don't want to make a video that nobody's going to watch. So that's it. And I have acquired some new clients this week, new Optavia clients. If you're all watching, I am super proud of you. One of them this morning sent me a beautiful text. She's another nurse, and she is down over 13 pounds. What is going on? This plan is just insane. It's insane. You can't fail on it. You truly can't fail. If you fail the plan, it's because you went off the plan. End of story. You will lose weight, and everybody does it at a different rate, but oh my gosh, most people, it just falls off. I don't know. I'm gonna leave my link in the description box. So if you want to check out Optavia, just click on the link. It'll take you right there. If you look through it and you decide you want to give it a try, let me know, and I will instruct you and guide you and be your coach, and we'll talk on the phone, and we'll talk text and all these other great things, and I will keep you motivated just like my coach does for me. And I guess that's it, guys. Today's weigh-in day was awesome. 1.7 down, making my weight loss a total of 23.8. I feel like I'm in the movie Hercules, Hercules. I'm excited. I'm right on the door of 25 pounds. Who would have thought? Oh my God. Okay, so I will see you in my next video, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay focused regardless of the plan you're on. Just stay focused. If you're doing well on keto, stay focused. If you're doing well on Weight Watchers, stay focused. If you're doing well on Optavia, stay focused. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.